This is a video of my unboxing my Nakayoshi Stepney the Bluebell engine, so please enjoy. So here's Stepney. As you can see, he has the number 55 and the word says Stepney. And the other side it also says Stepney. He has a fade brown color, which is yellow, I believe. Look at Stepney's face. So let me show you the voice of Stepney.
Yes, bluebells are beautiful. And my friend Rusty. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for Rusty. Everyone's been so kind. But my railway is so short, and I do miss a good long run. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry, I was a special. An important passenger arrived just as you left. He ordered a special train, and Duck let me take it. We had a splendid run, but exactly. You're such an expert. You are very lucky engines. Your line has got everything. It's long enough to give you a good run, and you have plenty of passengers. Then you have a quarry and a mine, so you need plenty of cars. Cars are fun. I miss them on our line. Come along, come along. Thank you, sir. I'd like a good long run on my last day. Don't worry, we'll get there, and be early, too. Now for a sprint. James says he's sick as boiler sludge and sulking in the shed. And you are always welcome on my Bluebell Railway, too.
Oh, thank you, sir. Shall I be away long? Are these my cars? The more the merrier. I will, and thank you for a lovely day. I do hope I can come back again. Thank you for the warning. Mavis was right. Suddenly everything does look spooky. Home, here we come. What are those strange sounds? Oh no! We're in the scrap yards! This engine's not for scrapping. Yes, sir. But I have learned something. There's no place like home. Bluebells forever. Oh, man.
And that is Stepney the Bluebell engine. Thank you for watching.